Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a TikTok trend video, who's gonna be my boyfriend, and how you can find and use the template on CapCut. So here I've already on the CapCut apps, and then I'm going to just go straight to the template tab and type in this keyword. You can just type in who's gonna be my boyfriend. Click on the keyword, and then there will be lots of template option that you can use. For example, I'm going to just click on the first one, and in here you need to add two photos of your childhood photo and also your partner, and after that just click on the use template. Okay, so I'm going to add two photos and then just click on preview, and here you'll get the result of the who's gonna be my boyfriend video trend. You can just play the preview in here, but if you want you can also change the text and sound before you exporting the video. Okay guys, so that's how you can create a who's gonna be my boyfriend TikTok trend video by using CapCut template. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.